Hi, I'm Jessica Marcussen, and this is Core Power Connect. How are you engaging your core? It's such a loaded question. Does anyone actually really understand that? Do you feel more tension, more rigidity when you engage your core? And if you do, you might be unintentionally creating more imbalance in your body. And that's something that we're going to address in this series. So not only will we get into the specifics of how you're going to lengthen your spine, from which points, we will work on the breathing mechanism. And finally, we will be specific about how to engage the entire core musculature, not just the abdominal walls, but from every single direction. And when we can support the spine from all directions, not only will you get stronger, but you'll be able to move in all different ranges of motion, planes of motion, with more ease. This series is for you if you've been doing Pilates for a while and you feel like you've plateaued. My own personal story for the series is that I've been doing Pilates for over 10 years, and I started to feel very rigid in my body. And I was unknowingly working my abdominals too much, not working the rest of my body in balance. So I had to shift my focus. I started returning to the basics, but with an advanced mindset, focusing on breathing mechanics, focusing on creating more length. And over time, I felt my body really started to transform. And I'm so excited to share those concepts with you.